Welcome back, parrot lovers. In this series, Parrot Species and Conservation. In this episode, various parrot species and their unique characteristics. Parrots are a diverse group of birds that can be found in tropical and subtropical regions all around the world. With over 350 different species, each parrot has its own unique characteristics that set it apart from the rest. One of the most well-known parrot species is the African gray parrot. There are two subspecies, the Congo African gray parrot and the Timna African gray parrot. The Congo African gray is known for its intelligence and ability to mimic human speech. They have a gray plumage and a distinctive red tail. The Timna African gray is smaller, has a dark gray plumage, lighter upper mandible and a maroon tail. Another popular species is the macaw. These large parrots are native to Central and South America and can be found in a variety of colors, including reds, blues, yellows and greens. They are known for their long tail feathers and powerful beaks. The Amazon parrot is another species that is commonly kept as a pet. There are a variety of Amazons, all known for their bright colors and playful personalities. They are also known to be quite talkative and can learn to mimic a wide variety of words and phrases. Often they are the opera singers of the parrot world. The umbrella cockatoo, also known as white cockatoo, is native to Indonesia and the Philippines and are known for their distinctive crest of feathers that resemble an umbrella. The Gala and Goffin's cockatoos are also hugely popular and for good reason. These parrots have playful and affectionate personalities and are known for their intelligence. The budgerigar, also known as budgies, are small parrots that are native to Australia and are often kept as pets. They are known for their bright plumage and playful personalities. They have excellent talking abilities. Alongside with budgies are the Indian ringneck parakeets. These animated, big personality parrots are one of the best talkers with the sweetest voices and large vocabulary. They aren't as touchy-feely but love to be close to their person. They are hungry to learn tricks to entertain. Cockatiels are excellent whistlers and love to vocalize their smaller vocabularies. They are known to be quite snuggly and friendly but won't back down from dispute, especially if you are not rubbing their cheeks the way they demand. Parrots are known for their intelligence and ability to mimic human speech and other sounds, making them popular pets. Parrots are social birds and thrive in the company of other parrots or with their human caretakers. Some parrot species have a long lifespan, with some living up to 80 years. When considering a parrot as a pet, please also take into consideration it will likely outlive you and need to be put in your will.
If you would like more information, visit my channel to view full episodes of the Parrot Talk series. We appreciate you tuning in and we hope you'll join us next time for more Parrot Talk. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our content. It sure helps us out if you click the like button, if you found this information helpful. Comment below if you have any suggestions for future episodes. And remember, a healthy parrot is a happy parrot.